Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Creative PD, where we are going to show you how to get rid of this chat option, also the widgets, then there's the task, and also the search. Like maybe you don't need these because let's be real, nobody uses chat, like Microsoft Outlook and stuff. Okay, so what we are going to do is that we're going to get rid of the widgets. Well, it might come in handy, the widgets tab, but I'm still going to show you how to get rid of this. And also there's the chat, also this option, then there's also search. Well, search is pretty handy, but still I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of them anyway. So first what we're going to do is that take your mouse or cursor at below the bar. As you can see, the bar, the taskbar we call it. So right click on the taskbar, and in the taskbar you right click it and you can see the taskbar settings, and click on taskbar settings, and as you can see it will just come up, and as you can see it says taskbar items, and in taskbar items you can see the search, task view, and the widgets option, and also the chat option. So when we click on it's on right now, so if we click on here, as you can see it's gone. The chat option is gone, and that's how you remove it. You can also remove the widget and it's gone, task view and it's gone, search and it's gone. So like by using this you can basically just get rid of this, and if you don't want them in the taskbar for the files, and you can just unpin from taskbar for the other files, but these are integrated in the taskbar, so we have to turn it off like this. And so I'm just gonna leave search and task view and widgets on. I don't really need chat. I don't really use chat. Maybe you do, so you can keep it on, I guess, but I don't, so I'm not gonna. So that's how you basically get rid of the chat option and widgets option in the taskbar of Windows 11. Of course, these are not available on Windows 10, so yeah, you can't really do anything about that. But in the Windows 11, you can do this to get it on and get it off the taskbar. So that's it for the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more, and stay tuned. Goodbye.